even a little squishy. Oh man, we forgot our waters. Yeah, we should probably go get them. Yeah, let's go. Ah! I'm gonna get on this squishy field. I dropped it. Oh no! Someone stole all our food! Yeah! We better go find it. Right. Wait, what's that on the ground over there? It's our french fries! Wait, this is your french fries. Oh yeah. We should probably go put them back on the table. Yeah. Let's go. Put them by ears. Now we gotta go find who took them. But we gotta find the rest of our food. Yeah. Let's go. Haha, you never can catch me. Hey, let's go this way. Yeah. Wait, I see a dog.
Wait, you guys see a dog?
Yeah.
Whoa, that's a little dog. Maybe you're going the right way. Somebody must have put that there.
Let's go up here. Let's go up here.
Okay. So at the top of this plate structure, you guys learned to look really well.
Look, it's a hamburger.
Look, it was a hamburger. It was on top of the slide.
And this one's yours, Dash. Yeah.
Yeah, Batboy / Dash / Officer Ryan. Get it? Officer Dash / Pretty silly. Alright, so we found the hamburger and a little doggy. Maybe you guys should go down the slide. Okay? I'll meet you on the other side. Let's go.
Look, it's a french fry. That one's yours, I think. Yeah.
Well, so you guys found the hamburger and french fries. But you gotta find hot dogs and all kinds of other stuff, right?
Right.
And your desserts.
Yeah.
Let's go put that back on our table and see what we can find, okay?
Okay.
Good job, Dash. Good job, Violet. I can't believe Baby Jack took all your food.
Yeah, but I found a strawberry. Yeah.
Wow, that was a healthy choice for a dessert, wasn't it?
Right. Yeah, I think that one's mine.
Your strawberry. Well, let's go down the slide and keep looking for food, right?
Right, let's go.
Let's go down that slide. Work at Baby Jack B. There goes the assistant. There goes Dash. Go on, guys. Keep looking for Dash. Try to find the rest of that food.
Keep looking for food.
Oh, you guys are going to play on that?
Yeah. Let's see what this is. Whee! Up and down. Up, down. Up, down. Up, down.
Good job, guys, but you need to get the rest of your lunch. Good job, guys! That was so fast! We still gotta find the rest of that food!
Right.
Where could they be? Let's go. Let's look and see if we can find them.
There's an obstacle course.
Yeah, go across the obstacle course. Good job. Good job. Whoa, be careful.
On the last thing, we went so fast.
You guys are so fast. Good job, Violet. Good job, Dash.
Whoa.
Whoa.
Now let's go across these.
Gotta go across that now, too, right?
Right. So I'm gonna put my food right over there.
Oh, you put your strawberry on the ground?
Yes.
That's okay. Good job. Keep trying to make it.
I'm gonna go the other way.
You're gonna go the other way? People at home, how do you think you would do on this really challenging obstacle course?
Did it.
You did it. All right, so we gotta keep looking for food.
Right. There's a hot dog.
There's a hot dog right there.
This one's mine.
You found your hot dog, assistant.
Yay.
Good job. All right, well, we got to keep finding food, don't we?
Yeah, but first we gotta put these down. Yeah.
Wait a minute. I think I see something. I think I see something over there.
Holding food?
Wait a minute, you see him, people at home? He's not looking. Ready? Set. Go get him! Go get him! Go get your food! Go get your food! He's running! I think you can get him! Get your food! You guys are hungry! You gotta get it! Oh, he dropped it! You better hurry and get it!
This is my hamburger.
He's still running though!
Yeah, I got him.
So wait a minute, you got your hamburger?
Yep.
Oh, he's still running! He's running through the tunnels!
Let's go.
Where did he go?
Where'd he go?
People home. Wait a minute, guys. Dash, Violet. Where did he go? Dash, Jack must be super fast because you were using your speed and you still didn't catch him, right?
Right. Wait, what's over there?
What's over where? Oh, there he goes. He's trying to pick up the cake.
Where's my cake?
You found your cake. Dash is trying to catch him. Hurry, Dash. Use your speed.
Ah!
Use your speed. Oh, look, a hot dog.
This is my hot dog.
So wait a minute. You found your hot dog, strawberry?
And dessert.
But look, he's still right there. We still haven't gotten him.
Yeah, now we just need that place. This is so fun.
Jack got so many abilities, doesn't he?
Yeah.
There he goes.
Go!
Get it. Wait a minute, guys. Baby Jack, did you just want to eat with them?
Yeah.
Well, here, do you guys have enough food for Jack?
Yeah, but we still need to find Dash's donut.
Oh, that's right. Well, you know what? We'll find that later because you know who had the donut?
Who?
I had the donut the whole time. Isn't that silly?
Yeah.
Okay.
I just want to know you're eating.
So we had a lot of fun playing with Jack and Violet and what's your name again? Dash. People at home, did you have a lot of fun? Leave a comment and let us know. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Hey, what's down? Threw my donut.
Oh, he took it again. That little baby Jack, he's so silly. Bye, everyone.
Bye. We're gonna go to Tom Sawyer Island and find the treasure.
Sure are. Wait a minute, we're taking a boat?
Yeah. Look.
Whoa. All right.
I'm reading this map and it says we have to go across some bridges and into a cave.
Oh, into the caves.
We gotta go deep into the woods.
Really? Where? We gotta find the treasure. Keep going.
There's bears around here.
There's bears?
Yeah. We have to be careful not to wake them up. They're hibernating.
The bears are hibernating?
Yeah. I think the big treasure's in this cave.
Oh, let's go find out. See if we can find it.
Let's go.
All right.
It's spooky in here. That's why I told you this one's over here.
Oh,
Come on.
I'm coming. But where's the treasure?
This way. Dead end.
Which way do we go?
This way.
We go. Oh, we can't go that way. Wait, where did the assistant go?
No.
Oh, she's behind me. How'd you get behind me?
I threw it around.
Whoa. All right. Is it behind that door?
No.
No, but we gotta find the treasure.
This way.
All right, I'm following you. Where'd you go?
I'm staying.
You see the treasure?
Right there.
Oh. Whoa, whoa.
Rainbow rocks.
Wow, look at that. What are you doing? Should you be inside of there? You're inside the cave.
I don't know.
Let's keep going.
Let's go this way.
Okay. Ooh, this is such a spooky cave. I'm glad I got the assistant helping me out. Do you think I should go up this way?
Oh no.
Oh no, where did the assistant go? I don't see her.
Right here.
job helping us find our way to that cave.
Oh no, look at this spooky bridge. We have to walk across it.
Oh boy, let's see if we can make it. Let's go.
The water. Wow.
Whoa, look at Assistant, are we going to be able to make it to the treasure?
Remember the bears?
There's bears too?
Yes.
Oh boy.
We made now.
Another one. Hurry, run, run. She made it.
Let's try it here.
Okay, let's go. Whoa, it sure is dark down here.
Bars. Bars.
Whoa.
A door.
Oh, it's like jail in there. We better keep going.
Watch your step. Might get steep. Which way? Oh, it goes the same place. Go whichever way you want.
There she is.
Look.
Whoa.
Bars.
Good job. Keep going.
Let's go this way. Come on.
Oh, it's pretty tight.
Yeah, it's pretty steep.
I don't know if I can make it through here. Oh. Are you okay?
A door!
We can't get through. I think we'll have to go around the other side.
Yeah, let's go. Look! Outdoor!
Finally, we finally found our way out. Oh, I'm almost stuck. Assistant, I'm stuck.
Really?
Oh, we got out.
Seriously, you can't get in? We got out!
Whoa! Woo. Hey, this is a secret passage to help us find the treasure in those caves.
Yeah, let's go!
Let's go. We gotta find that treasure.
Yeah, come on!
Okay, I'm right behind you.
I don't know which way to go. Let's go up.
You wanna go all the way up there?
Yeah.
Oh boy, let's follow the assistant. I hope she knows where she's going.
We're in the treasure's cave. Let's follow it. Come on. I see it. Wow, it's tricky.
So you think this is finally the right tunnel?
Yeah. Wow. Whoa. Ow. Wow.
The treasure. Is that it right there?
Yeah.
Look, it's the treasure right there.
All right. Thank you for helping us find our treasures, and also subscribe here to the Engineering Family, and hope like this video doesn't feel. And also give us a thumbs up and follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and our secret password is just to be cave.
C-A-V-E spells cave. So thank you for helping us find the treasure. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Hope you have a cavey day.
Hey there, everyone. Thanks for watching our video. Now make sure that you subscribe to the Engineering Family so you can see lots of cool videos. In fact, there's another cool video right there. You can select and watch it. I think you're really going to like it. Is it Team Umizoomi, Paw Patrol, Surprise Eggs, Frozen, Blade, Masha? There are so many videos to watch. Bye.